In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your email to the inbox using Mailchimp. We'll walk through a simple process to set up your subscriber notifications so you can stay on top of your audience activity and ensure your email campaigns are reaching the right people. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your starting point for everything Mailchimp related, and from here, we'll navigate to the next step. Look at the top of your screen and you'll see the main menu. Click on Audience. This section is where all the information about your subscribers is stored, so it's an important hub for managing your email lists. Once you're in the Audience section, look for Audience Settings. It's typically located near the top right-hand corner or within the drop-down menu of your audience dashboard. Click on that, and it'll take you to a new page where you can control how Mailchimp notifies you about changes to your subscriber list. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the option to edit subscriber notification emails. This is the setting that allows you to customize the updates you receive about your audience's activity. Click on it, and you'll be able to configure how and when Mailchimp sends you notifications. Once you're on this page, you'll see a few different options for notifications. The first one is the daily summary. This is a great feature that consolidates updates about your audience into a single email at the end of the day. To enable it, simply click on the checkbox next to Daily Summary. This way, you'll get a quick overview of your subscribers' activity without being overwhelmed by multiple notifications throughout the day. Next, enable the individual subscribe notifications. This means you'll get notified each time someone new subscribes to your audience. It's an excellent way to stay in the loop and celebrate each new addition to your list. Similarly, you'll want to enable individual unsubscribe notifications. This option informs you when someone opts out of your email campaigns. While it's never fun to lose a subscriber, knowing who's unsubscribing can help you identify patterns and make improvements to your content or strategy. After you've enabled these three options, daily summary, individual subscribe notifications, and individual unsubscribe notifications, take a moment to double-check your settings. Once you're satisfied, click on Save Notification Settings. This final step ensures all your changes are applied, and from here on out, you'll be fully informed about the movements in your subscriber list. And that's it. You've successfully set up your subscriber notifications in Mailchimp. With these settings in place, you'll be better equipped to manage your audience and refine your email campaigns to maximize their effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more tips on making the most of your email marketing efforts with Mailchimp. See you next time.